La, la, la.
Hey, Carl, the meat's getting cold.
Oh.
It is cold.
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess it's time to show you what we're doing. Hi, I'm Chef Carl. This is a ribeye roll, or some people call it a boneless prime rib. And today we're going to be breaking it down into ribeye steaks and a couple of roasts. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll be right back. That's all, folks.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're back, and the first thing I'm going to do, cut a couple of little roasts here, not for 4 people or so. There you go. And we're going to backpack these later. In the meantime, but wait, there's more. You cut about one-inch steaks. Now I don't use gloves, but if you see behind me, I have hand sanitizer, handy wipes, and soap sanitizer in the sink. These are going to be nice 1 pound plus. And if you want to see how you cook these steaks, go back to one of my videos on grilling outdoors, ribeyes. So there's no sense in me doing it twice. Okay. And this one, I'm just going to trim a little steak for me for later, and then we'll make a nice there we go. And this is for my lunch, or Ward's lunch. So, with that being said, I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to put some of the steaks in bags, and I'm going to backpack them. Then they're good for up to about a year. Now, I got the bags, I cut them, I backpacked one side, and I dated them. So, I'll know when I did this. Let's see. Whoa, that's a nice steak. And I did the same thing with this prime rib roast, May 8, 2021. And we'll do a video cooking the prime rib roast down the line. Try to keep your hands and the bags clean. So, this is my Food Saver backpack machine, and they have the bags inside of here. It's a roll. You cut them off. I pulled the seal already in once. And you then it takes about 20 seconds for it to beep. Okay, that's the roast. I got 2 nice steaks here. and nicely vac-packed, and the roast. All dated, identified to what it is. Can't beat that. That's pretty much it. I'll backpack these steaks a little later, but right now I want to thank everybody for watching. Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, YouTube, and thanks to everybody in the military. And look for more videos. We'll see you soon. Bye, and that's no mistake.